What's up, family? How you guys doing? I'm back with another brand new video. What was that? I'm back with another brand new video talking about Litecoin, because I really wanted to give you a quick update with what I'm going to be doing as far as my Litecoin trades are concerned. You guys are supposed to be going long when it comes to Litecoin, because Litecoin has actually started having a bull market. If you guys have been around ever since we had this market situation, we have had a very good increase in the price of Litecoin. We've got about 125%. If you guys were using 10x leverage, this could have been about 1,000 profit for you guys. So this is very lucrative. So Litecoin is obviously having a bull market right now, so the only smart thing that you guys can actually get to do is buying the dips. The other thing that we talked about in the previous video is obviously getting to identify a few areas of value, and one of the easiest methods that you guys can actually get to use is finding areas where the price is obviously finding support and where the price action is actually getting to find a little bit of a bounce. And if you guys had to scrutinize this whole market situation, then clearly the 20 EMA is a very important exponential moving average, because we've got situations where the price was finding support and bouncing back and forth, as you guys can clearly see right over here. So what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to wait for the price of Litecoin to drop down to the 20 EMA. If we are going to have a situation where the wicks are going below the 20 EMA, right, this is obviously going to be a very good trading opportunity. So in case the 20 EMA fails to provide enough support, right, we are also going to have a very high likelihood of the price finding support right around the 50 EMA. Whenever we are going to have like a very good strong crash to the downside, right, obviously we are going to find substantial amount of support right around the 50 EMA. So anything which is going to be close to about 0.0128 Satoshi is going to be a very good entry, provided the 20 EMA fails to provide the much needed support. According to the on-balance volume, we are having a slight reduction in terms of volume. The orange line is the 13 EMA. It's a very fast exponential moving average, which is very good, especially when you're getting to determine where the volume is going to go, because you are supposed to be comparing the volume with the shortest period of time. We are having a little bit of pullback in terms of the volume, which is not very ideal, but this has obviously happened in the past. If you guys actually took this as a bullish indicator, like for example, if we're going to have a scenario where the volume is going to just end up correcting back and then just slightly going back and then going up on top, this is going to be a very good entry, especially when the volume is going to be slightly higher than the previous downward volume price point right around this area. So for example, if we're going to have such a situation where we're going to have an M pattern, that's going to be a very bullish indicator, and going long is going to be very good for you guys. So there's obviously going to be like way much more buying opportunities for you guys, so you don't really have to like you know, rush in case you didn't really get to like get in at the most ideal market price. So it's all about patience, guys. It's all about patience. Let us take a look at the 4-hourly chart, because it's very important for us to always react to what's really happening like in a short period of time. So according to the 4-hourly chart, right, we are having a market situation where the 20 EMA is moving, or rather going below the 50 EMA, which is a very bearish sign. So you guys are most likely going to have a buying opportunity, because in a short period of time, or rather in the short term period, we are obviously going to have a very good pullback in terms of Litecoin. If we check out the Fibonacci levels, right, we've got a very high probability of the price of Litecoin going closer to about 0.0131 Satoshi, or we might end up bouncing back off of the 38.2% Fib level, which is going to correspond right over to this price, which is going to be closer to about 0.01399 Satoshi. So in the past, we had a situation where the price ended up bouncing right around this area. So if you guys are going to have the privilege of getting to buy Litecoin close to the 200 EMA, that's going to be a very good buying opportunity. Or if the price of Litecoin drops down to the 100 EMA, that is on the 4-hourly chart, that is also going to be a very good buying golden opportunity. But you guys always have to practice patience, and according to the 1-day chart, obviously we are most likely going to find support right around the 50 EMA. Anything which is going to be between the 20 and the 50 EMA is going to be a very good entry. But according to the previous information that we had, right, Litecoin is most unlikely to go back to the 50 EMA because it is really depending on the 20 EMA, like right over here, and here we almost went closer to the 50 EMA. Do you guys see what really happened around this area, right? We had a market situation where the price of Litecoin slightly found support on the 50 EMA and then it just went crazy. That's basically what I wanted to talk to you guys about. So I hope you understood and you found this Litecoin update a little bit helpful, and I'm really looking forward to like seeing you guys make quite substantial amount of profit, because if you guys are going to be able to do tremendously well, I'm really going to feel very, very proud. So I really hope that you guys are going to find very good trading opportunities, and you already know what to do. This wasn't really financial advice because I am far from a financial advisor, and you guys always have to do your own due diligence. I go by the name of Muna, that's M-U-N-A. Welcome to Beyond 10X. Feel free to smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, and drop me a comment in the comment section in case you've got any other alternative cryptocurrencies that you would love me to look at and obviously talk about, because you know it's all about sharing and giving each other ideas. So I'm obviously going to talk to you guys a little bit later, meaning tomorrow. Hopefully I'm going to have a little bit of time to record for you guys. So yeah, take care, be good, and stay safe. Bye.